In this demo, you'll see how I create thousands of single keyword ad groups, ads, and keywords in just a few seconds. But before I do that, here's some of the results we're able to achieve. In this example, we reduced the cost from $2 per click down to just 28 cents per click. It increased the click-through rate from 4% to 32%. And reduced the cost per conversion from $45 down to just $9 per conversion. And using PPC Kit for another niche, we reduced the cost per conversion from $35 down to just $9.94. So here's how we created the campaigns. Inside the PPC Kit dashboard, simply choose the campaign you want to build and then click Create. Then add your landing page URL or domain name. Name your campaign, choose a location, and click Continue. On this step, simply paste or type all of the keywords you want to target and add any negative keywords if necessary. Tick the Create Skag box to generate single keyword ad groups for the match types you need and then click Continue. Set your bid, daily budget, and bid strategy. And then create your first expanded text ad. Now, if you would like to create additional ad variations for split testing, simply click Add New Variation. Then edit the new text ad variation. Let's create another ad variation. And to create even more ad variations with dynamic keyword insertion, simply tick these boxes over here. And finally, review your settings and click the Export button, and you're done. The Google Ads campaign will be instantly emailed to you, and it will also be ready for you to download inside the dashboard. Then all you need to do is upload the campaign to your Google Ads account using the Google Ads editor, and hey presto. As you can see in this example, it generated over 1,300 ad groups, 3,921 keywords, and built 11,763 Google Ads in just a few seconds. Now, if I go over to my Google Ads account, you'll see that each keyword has its own ad group, as you can see here, with multiple match types in the keyword section. And as you can see here, each ad group has 9 different ad variations for split testing. So what would have normally taken hours to complete manually, we've managed to do it in just a few seconds. So if you like what you see and you'd like to give it a try, simply sign up today to start building your own properly structured ad campaigns in just a few clicks.